Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply HTV to a fabric basket using your heat press. So you can actually do this with your heat press or your Cricut Easy Press. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to need is a fabric basket. These are very common at TJ Maxx, Target, places like that, and even Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is get a ruler and measure out about how big that you want your, name to be or your design. Once you have your measurements, you're just simply going to cut it out with your die cutting machine. I use my Cricut Explorer Air 2. Now, the HTV that I'm using today is actually Flock 2, and this is from Stalls. It's like a texture, so it feels like velvet. So the first thing that we want to do is test our basket to make sure it's going to fit on our heat press. Once again, you could use a Cricut Easy Press as well. You could actually flip this basket inside out. We'll do another video on that soon. So what you see me doing here is I'm actually heating up that lower platen. This is going to help that heat radiate from the backside as well to heat up the backside of that HTV. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and get my basket on here, and then I'm going to go ahead and heat press this as well. Number one, to pull out any sort of moisture because this is cotton, as well as heat up the fabric. So I'm just preheating it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for just a few seconds, and then I'm going to lift it back up. And now we are ready to apply our name or design. So I'm going to go ahead and add that here. Now the way that I did my basket here is I used the two color tones. So on the second color, I kind of put it on top so that way I knew right where it would line up. Then you're going to take a piece of parchment paper and apply that on top. This is just going to help your heat press just in case, anything happens. It's not going to ruin your press. So we're going to go ahead and press this again. Now, make sure you follow your temp guides and your settings for whatever heat press you're using or heat transfer vinyl. So for this particular one, it is 312 for 12 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that, lift it up. We're going to move it out of the way, and then we're going to remove our parchment paper and remove our carrier sheet as this is a hot peel. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this up. Now, once again, this has texture, so it feels like velvet. So it's really perfect for this kind of basket. You could also use glitter HTV. That would be really pretty as well. So as you guys can see, that came out really nice. This is a great way to personalize a gift for somebody. So say, for example, this basket could be $12 and now it looks like maybe you spent 30 bucks on it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, this is the way that I build my baskets. I thought I would just share it with you guys. I take a blanket, I remove the tags just to kind of make it look a little bit more put together, if you will. So some things you want to remove the tags off of them or the cardboard. It just kind of makes it look better in the basket. So I just kind of line that blanket in the bottom of the basket on the back just to kind of make it look cute. I'm going to hang this. This is something that hangs off of a car seat. So I hung it on the little handles there. And then I'm going to hang it outside of the corner. So I'm avoiding covering up the name because I want that to be able to be shown, if you will. And then the next step, I'm just going to continue to layer in. So if you get other little blankets or hats or booties, or maybe you're going to do some bibs and this right here, some wash rags that I got. So when it comes to building these baskets, it's great to do a little mixture between, blankets, wash rags, a little outfit, maybe some baby bottles, maybe some lotion or body wash. So as you guys can see here, I'm kind of using my outfit to be the very front of the basket. It's in the front. I thought it was super cute. So I kind of got that where I wanted it and then removed the hanger so it would stand up just like so. I thought it looked super cute. I found these really cute bibs at our local boutique. So I was playing around with them, trying to figure out where I wanted those. And it's okay to move pieces around several times. So I'm just going to kind of play with that there, play with my outfit. But once again, try to find a piece that you want to be center stage, one of your favorite pieces that you may pick out, just to kind of make it pop. It's going to make the basket pop that much more. So I'm going to go ahead and pile those in. If you got a small pack of diapers, you could actually remove those and kind of put those in different spots as well. So I'm going to go ahead and move this one more time. So like I said, it's okay to play around with it. Now, once again, you see how I've got the cardboard on these? You could remove those and it would look a lot more professional as well and put together. So now the next thing that would just kind of top it off is taking some tissue paper. So for example, this tissue paper, it comes in a really big pack for like $1 something. You could usually find those at Walmart, Target. These are from TJ Maxx again. And so I'm going to go ahead and just stuff these in. I did about 3 pieces, one of the blues on each side, and then I actually had this super cute pattern of the polka dot that came with it, and I tucked it down in the center. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful for your next project that you guys want to make if you want to create a gift basket, and I will see you guys on the next one.